Ever notice how every raise disappears just as fast as it came? That's lifestyle creep, and it's quietly wrecking your wealth. Welcome to WealthWise with Mike, your guide to smarter money moves. Today, let's tackle lifestyle creep before it tackles your bank account. Lifestyle creep happens when your expenses rise with your income. That bonus? Spent? That promotion? Gone. You're earning more, but saving nothing. The danger? You feel richer but grow financially stuck. It keeps you living paycheck to paycheck, just with nicer things. Signs you're trapped? More subscriptions, frequent upgrades, no savings bump. Sound familiar? Fix it by 1. Locking in a budget. 2. Automating savings. 3. Treating raises like an opportunity to grow wealth, not just spend more. Kill lifestyle creep before it kills your goals. Be wise, be wealthy. Subscribe to WealthWise with Mike. New videos every week.